In this video, we'll be telling about Instagram stories. There are so many features in Instagram stories, but many of them don't use every features. Anyways, to upload Instagram stories, what you need to do is take your smartphone and open Instagram application. After opening Instagram application, down here you can see your profile button. Click on this profile button. In your profile above you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button. When you are clicking on that plus button, here you can see one option, story. Click on story. When you are clicking on story, you will reach a new page like this. Here you can select the photo or video which you want to set as Instagram story. For example, I am selecting this photo. After selecting that photo, there are so many options here. After selecting that photo, here you can see arrow mark. Just clicking on this arrow mark, you can set your Instagram story. But in Instagram, there are so many features. You can make use of that features also. Here above, you can see some options. If you want to zoom this photo, you can click on this and you can zoom and you can change this size if you want. And next to that, you can see one text option. Click on this text option and here you can write whatever you want. After writing, if you want to change the alignment, you can change alignment. Option to change alignment is here. Click on this option to change alignment. After that, if you want to change color, you can do that also. Here color option is there. Just click on this color and colors will appear here. If you want to change color, just click on the color which you want. And normally down here you can see many fonts. If you want to change font, you can do that also. And here one more option is there. This writing is in one box. If you want to change color of this box, you can click on this and that box color will be changed. Or if you don't want box, you can again click and that box will be gone. And if you want to add some animations, here one option is there to add animation. You can click on that and you can add animation. Anyways, after that, click on this done button and that text will be added here. If you want to move this text from here, just click on this text and you can move wherever you want. And if you want to mention anyone in this story, just click on this text button again and here you can see mention option. Click on mention and after that type the account name. When you are entering that profile name, you can see that account here. Select the account which you want to mention. For example, I am selecting this account. After that, above you can see done button. Click on this done button and this mention will be added here. If you want to change font or change animations, you can do that also for mention. Options are like text only. And if you want to add location, again click on this text button and here you can see location option. Click on location. And if you want to search for location, you can search, or it's better to turn on location services. When you are turning on location services, your correct location will be shown here. Select the location from this list. And when you are selecting that, location will be added. If you want to move this location, you can move this location. If you want to delete this text, what you need to do is just long press on this text and move down. When you are moving down, here you can see delete option. Just scroll this text to here and that will be deleted. And here some options are also there. Just click on this option and you can add location from here also. And in this mention option is also there. If you want to add mention, you can add mention from here also and from text option also. And if you want to add hashtag, you can add it from here. And if you want to ask any question to your followers, just click on this questions option. And here you can type your question. After typing question above, you can see done button. Click on this done button and you can place this question wherever you want. And here some GIF option is also there. If you want to add GIF to this, you can add that also. So many GIF are there. You can add that. And if you want to add avatar, you can add avatar also. Just click on this avatar. And if you want to create your own avatar, you can create your own avatar and add that avatar here. And if you want to add music, just click on this music option and you can search for the music you want from here. Or you can select music from here. Here play button is there. If you want to hear this music, just click on this play button. And if you want to contact poll, again click on this button and here you can see poll option. Here type the question. After typing question, down here you can see some options. You can add the options which you want. After entering options, if you want to add more options, click on this add another option and another option will be added. And again, if you want to add another option, you can add another option also. Anyways, after that, click on this done button and poll will be created. And if you want to set countdown timer, you can set that also. If you are setting end date and time, countdown will be started. And if you want to add any link, just click on this link option and you can add any link you want here. And anyone can click on that link and go to that website. Here one option is there for filters. Just click on this filters option and you can add whichever filter you want. After selecting filters, just click on this done button. And here you can see 3 dots. Click on this 3 dots and here you can see one option draw. If you want to draw in this, you can do that also. And if you want to change pen size, you can do that also. Options are there for this here. Anyways, after drawing is completed, above you can see tick button. Just click on this tick button and here again click on this 3 dots and here you can see save option. just click on this save and this photo will be saved in your gallery. And if you are coming to down, you can see some options like close friends and your story. What this close friends means is that your story will be shown to only people in this close friends group. If you want, you can add close friends and story will be shown to that persons only. And here one more option is there, your story. When you are clicking on your story, that story will be posted. Here you can see posting. After that, down here you can see some options. If you want to create reel, you can create reel. Or if you want to share it through Facebook, you can do that also. And send option is also there. If you want to send this, you can send that. Here more option is also there. Just click on this more option and here you can see so many options. Delete option is there and save video option is there. If you want to save this video, you can save that video. And here highlights option is there. If you want to share this story to highlights, you can do that also. Just click on this highlights. And first what we need to do is enter new highlights name. For example, I am typing hi and just click on this add button and that story will be added to your highlights. Here you can see two options, view on profile and done. You can click any of these options. And if you are coming to your profile, you can see that highlights here. The thing is that normally stories will be deleted within a day, but these highlights will not be deleted. So if you are adding this to highlights, that story will be there for so many time. And in more, there are some other options. If you want to share this as a post, you can click on share as post. Or if you want to copy this link, just click on this copy link and you can share it anywhere you want. And share option is also there. You can click on this share button and you can share it to anyone. Here not only Instagram, every apps option is also there. So if you want, you can send this link through other platforms also. And here add mentions option is there. If you want to add mention from here, click on add mentions and you can mention anyone from here. Here story settings option is there. Just click on the story settings and you can see so many options. If you want to hide anyone from this story, hide story from option is there. Just click on this and you can add anyone to this list and they cannot see this story. And if you want, you can create new close friends group and after this, only that persons can see your story. And here one option is there, allow message replies. Here everyone can reply to the stories, but some other options are also there. If you want to turn off replies, you can turn off, or people you follow option is also there. Anyway, select according to your need. And if you want to save story to gallery, just turn this on. And if you want to save story to archives, you can turn this on. And if you want to share this story, you need to enable this option, allow sharing to story and allow sharing to messages. And one more option is there, share your story to Facebook. If you want to share this story in Facebook also, you can turn this on. And boost story option is there. If you want to boost your story, you can do that also. Anyways, this is all about Instagram stories. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.